The Supreme Court's latest remark on stray dogs may come as worrying news for dog lovers in Dehradun. The apex court ruling on stray dogs, though, might sound like a step towards public safety, but for passionate dog lover do-nights, it's far from a good news. These animal enthusiasts who have long been feeding and caring for strays now find themselves in the crosshairs of accountability. While compassion towards animals has long defined Doon's civic culture, the Apex Code has now made it clear feeding stray dogs in public places could invite accountability and even legal consequences. Hearing a suo motu case on the growing menace of stray dog attacks, a three-judge bench of the Supreme Court on January 13th warned that state government may be forced to pay heavy compensation in case of dog bite, especially when children or the elderly are injured or killed. The court also said dog feeders will no longer be immune from responsibility. The bench questions why dogs should roam freely in public places, biting, chasing people, and asks those feeding stray dogs to take responsibility. If you want to feed them, take them to your house, the court remarked, stressing that the compassion must extend equally to human beings. For Dehradun, a city with estimated dog population crossing 1 lakh, the order has immediate implications. The Municipal Corporation has already moved to tighten its bylaws in line with Supreme Court direction.
माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय के जो निर्देश प्राप्त हुए हैं सभी राज्यों को उसके क्रम में जो तैयारियां की जानी है उसमें उत्तराखंड राज्य में नगर निगम देहरादून अपना एक डॉग शेल्टर क्रिएट करने के लिए डीपीआर तैयार कर चुका है। जो फीडिंग पॉइंट्स चिन्हित किए जाने थे उसमें अभी वर्तमान में 25 फीडिंग स्पॉट्स निर्धारित किए गए हैं और एक नियमावली भी फाइनल नोटिफिकेशन उसका किया जा चुका है जिसमें कि प्रॉपर विस्तृत जानकारी दी गई है कि किस प्रकार से पंजीकरण कराया जाना होगा, कि क्या सावधानियां बरती जानी होंगी पशु स्वामियों के द्वारा और इन सावधानियों को ना बरते जाने की स्थिति में किस प्रकार की चालानी और दंडात्मक कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट रूलिंग में भी कहा गया है कि अगर स्ट्रे डॉग के काटने से कोई मौत हो जाती है तो स्थानीय निकायों को उसका मुआवजा देना पड़ेगा। क्या इसको लेकर भी कोई व्यवस्था की जा रही है?
ये पॉलिसी मैटर है, इसमें राज्य सरकार के जो निर्णय रहेगा उसका अनुपालन होगा, परंतु वर्तमान व्यवस्था ये है कि माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय ने फेज़ 1 में ये कहा है कि जितने भी हमारे संस्थान हैं, एजुकेशनल हैं, हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, पब्लिक स्पेसेस हैं, वहाँ से जो आवारा श्वान पशु हैं, निराश्रित श्वान पशु हैं, उन्हें मूव किया जाना है। उसके लिए जो डॉग शेल्टर की आवश्यकता है उसकी डीपीआर नगर निगम के द्वारा तैयार की जा चुकी है।
After the Supreme Court's observation, Dehradun Municipal Corporation has strengthened its dog management bylaws. Feeding of stray dogs will now be allowed only at designated feeding point decided by a residential welfare association. Anyone feeding dog at random public places can face action up to a fine of 3,000. At the same time, Municipal Corporation said that they are encouraging adoption, pre-registration, vaccination, and sterilization of stray dogs. The Municipal Corporation is also planning dedicated dog shelter houses. A new shelter is proposed at Sankarpur. The city of Kanji houses Kedarpur, which also houses the ABC Center, may be expanded. Officials say over 50,000 stray dogs have already been sterilized in the city. What does it mean for passionate dog lovers in Dehradun? Here are some do's and don'ts. Do's. Feed stray dog only at designated feeding points approved by RWAs. Adopt stray dog where possible. Registration and vaccination will need aid. Inform the municipal corporation about injured or aggressive dogs. Cooperate with sterilization and vaccination drive. Do not treat dogs in random public places, roads, or institutional areas. Do not obstruct municipal team during dog relocation or sterilization. Do not claim exclusive ownership over stray dogs without legal adoption. The Supreme Court has also made it clear that stray dog cannot be considered animal's personal possession. If someone wants a pet, they must follow the legal process and obtain a license. With the matter set to be heard again on January 20th, the message is loud and clear. Emotional argument alone will not work. Authorities, dog feeders, and animal welfare groups must now work within the law to ensure safety for both humans and animals. For Dehradun's dog lover, the road ahead demands responsibility along with compassion. The coming weeks will determine how effectively the city balances animal welfare with public safety.